Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win Solitaire every time. To start, always focus on revealing face-down cards in the tableau. This expands your options significantly. Before making any move, take a moment to survey the entire layout. Prioritize moves that uncover new cards or create empty columns. This thoughtful approach from the beginning sets you up for success. When moving cards, prioritize uncovering hidden ones. For instance, moving a card from a 7-card stack is often better than from a 2-card stack. Don't rush to move cards to the foundation if they are needed to build down in the tableau. Always consider the impact of your moves on future possibilities, looking 2 or 3 steps ahead. Managing your stockpile and empty columns is crucial. When an empty tableau pile appears, only place a king there if it helps uncover other cards or facilitates a sequence. Cycle through your stockpile deliberately, remembering the order of cards. Avoid moving cards from the waste pile prematurely if they could be used to build down in the tableau. To truly master Solitaire, consistent practice is key. You'll develop an intuitive understanding of the game's flow and recognize winning patterns more easily. Don't hesitate to undo moves if you realize a better path exists. While not every game is winnable, applying these strategies will significantly increase your success rate, often winning 1 in 3 games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.